Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our AMC8 questions. And today we're going to talk about a question which is 2018 and number 25. So which is the last question of the 2018 AMC8 questions, okay?
Yeah.
So Pen, I don't know if you can do this one. I think you did make a mistakes on this question. So let's take a look. So Pen, could you please read the question for me?
How many perfect cubes between what does it say?
Line. How many perfect cubes?
Lie
Line.
between 2 and then what's the top thing?
8.
Oh,
2 power 8.
2 power 8 plus 1 and 2 power 18 plus 1 inclusive.
So what does it mean? It means perfect cube. So what does perfect cube mean? Like 1/3, 1 cube is a perfect cube.
1
2 cube is a perfect cube. 3
Yeah.
cube is a perfect
is a
cube.
perfect cube.
4 cube is a perfect cube. Okay, so obviously this is a number and that is a number. So that means in between these two numbers, how many perfect cubes are sitting there? Are sitting there. For instance, if I give you 1 to 10, so how many perfect cubes are there? Because it said inclusive. That means including this one and including this one, okay? So that means including 1 to 10, how many perfect cubes? There's only 2. 1 and 8.
8, yeah.
Correct? So you're going to find out, actually, it is very easy if you know the first number and the last number. So it is easy for you to find how many perfect cubes are there. But the thing is, do we know the first and last number? Okay. 2 power 8 plus 1 is pretty easy. Pen, can you tell me what is the number?
2 power 8 plus 1 is
2 power 8 equals what?
2 power 8 equals to
200.
256 plus 1, which is 257.
Okay, so this is something I want you to do this, okay? So you need to memorize them, right? Because 2 power 8, it actually equals 2 power 4 squared. So which is 16 squared, which is 256. Okay, so we gladly know the first number is 257. So which one is the closest number? Which one is the closest cube number which is bigger than 257?
Bigger. 2.
We know 6 cube equals 216. Okay, so something I said 1 to 10 cube, you need to memorize them. That is a moment you're using them, right? And from, right? So 6 power 3 equals 216. So I know this one is too small because this one 216 is smaller than that. So it's not lying in between that one. So that's why the next one is qualified is 7 power 3. Very good. Power 3, right? 7 cube is the first perfect cube, which is lined between 2 power 8 plus 1 and 218 plus 1. But the thing is, Peng, do you know what is 2 power 18? It's going to be a very big number, right? And it's very hard.
And a lot of calculation.
And a lot of calculation. So is there a possibility that we can make it easier? The question is about something about cube, right?
Yeah.
So that means anything other than cube, we don't have to worry about it. We don't really have to talk about what is the true number of this one, but I just want to find out, is this number very close or equals to a perfect cube? So we know 2 power 18. Can we rewrite it as something as some number cube? 2 power 6.
2 power 6, which is
very good. 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 equals what? Can you tell me?
Equals to 8 times 8, which is 64.
Very good. So this one is 64 power cube plus 1. Okay, so if you write something like that, it is pretty easy because 2 power 8 plus 1 equals 257, it is smaller than 7 cube. And 64 cube plus 1, which is equals to 218 plus 1, it's of course bigger than 64 cube. Okay, so that means in this number and that number, how many cubes are there? 64 minus 7 plus 1. Very good. So the answer is,
never forget the plus one or else you get
it. 57 plus 1. So the answer is
58.
58. So the answer is E.
50.
Okay, so this is the final answer for this one. So when we're doing something like that, I want you to take a look at what is when we are dealing with cube number. So you only focus on anything but cube. Okay, so only thing you need to focus is cube. You don't have to worry about something else. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's class and I hope you understand this pretty well. And we're going to see each other tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.